Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video we built our first project and I showed you the project knowledge base really quickly. We just uploaded a file and moved on. But that knowledge base is honestly one of the most powerful things in all of Claude and it deserves its own video. So today we are going all the way in. I'm going to show you what you can put in it, how Claude actually uses it, the one mistake almost every beginner makes, and how to set yours up the right way. So let's get into it. So real quick, what is project knowledge? It's a space inside every project where you upload your reference material, your documents, your files, your background information. And here's the key. Claude treats everything in there as permanent background knowledge for every single chat in that project. So instead of pasting the same document into Claude over and over in every conversation, you put it in the knowledge base once, and Claude just knows it from then on. That's the whole idea. Set it up once, use it forever. Let's start with what you can put in here, because it's a lot more than people think. Open your project and look at the knowledge panel on the right. Click the plus button to add content. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, plain text files, Markdown files, spreadsheets like CSV files, and even code files. You can also paste in plain text directly if you don't have a file. So basically, if it's a document with useful information in it, you can probably add it here. For a marketing project, that might be your brand guidelines as a PDF, your product list as a spreadsheet, and a text file with your tone of voice. All of it goes in, all of it becomes context. Now here's something important that nobody tells beginners. Your knowledge base has a capacity. It's not unlimited. As you add files, you will see a little percentage indicator showing how full your project is getting. You can add quite a lot before you hit the limit, but keep an eye on that number. If you're on a paid plan, there is a nice bonus. When your knowledge base gets close to full, Claude automatically switches into a smarter retrieval mode that expands how much it can handle. On the free plan, you have got less room, so be a bit more selective about what you upload. Okay, this is the most important part of the whole video, so pay attention. There are two different ways to give Claude a file, and beginners mix them up constantly. Option 1. You attach a file directly inside a chat using a paperclip or plus in the message box. That file is only for that one conversation. Start a new chat and it's gone. Claude doesn't remember it. Option 2. You add the file to the project knowledge base. Now it's available in every chat in that project permanently. So the rule is simple. If it's a one-time thing, like summarize this PDF real quick, just attach it in the chat. But if it's reference material you will keep coming back to, your brand guide, your templates, your data, put it in the knowledge base. Get this right and you will save yourself so much repeated work. Now let's talk about how Claude actually uses everything in here, because it's smarter than you would think. Claude doesn't reread every single file from top to bottom every time you ask a question. Instead, when you ask something, it pulls out the most relevant pieces from your knowledge base for that specific question. So if you ask about pricing, it grabs the pricing information. If you ask about your brand voice, it grabs that. Why does this matter to you? Two things. First, it means you can keep a big knowledge base without slowing things down. But second, if a detail is really critical, it's worth mentioning it directly in your question too, just to make sure Claude focuses on it. A little nudge goes a long way. Your knowledge base isn't set and forget, you will want to keep it current. To remove something that's out of date, just hover over the file in the knowledge base panel and delete it. To add a newer version, upload the new file and remove the old one so Claude isn't working from the outdated information. This is a habit worth building. If your prices change, your product list changes, or your guidelines update the knowledge base too. Claude is only as accurate as the material you give it. So what should go in the knowledge base? Think reference material you reuse, brand guidelines, style guides, templates, product or service details, frequently asked questions, past work you want Claude to match, anything that helps Claude understand your world. And here's a really important safety tip. Be careful with the sensitive information. Before you upload anything, take out your personal details, financial information, passwords, anything private. Redact it first. Treat your knowledge base like something you would be okay with sharing. Okay, quick tips before we wrap up. First, knowledge base is for stuff you reuse. One-time files go in the chat, not the knowledge base. Second, keep it clean. Don't dump everything in. Add what's actually useful and remove what's outdated. Third, watch your capacity meter so you don't run out of room on important files. Fourth, for critical details, mention them in your question too, so Claude definitely picks them up. And fifth, Always redact private information before uploading. And that's it. You now know what to upload, how Claude uses it, the big difference between a chat attachment and the knowledge base, and how to keep it clean and safe. Set this up properly for your projects, and Claude basically becomes an expert in your work, your brand, your data, your style, without you ever repeating yourself. In the next video, we will keep building on this. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Drop a like if this helped, leave your questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.